Hello everyone, my name is Sasha Prasanarani from the Digital Office Administration Study Program, and next there are my other teammates.
My name is Nashwe Kanindia from the Digital Office Administration Study Program.
My name is Eliza Nazam Maharani Effendi from the Office Administration Education Study Program.
My name is Intan Aulia Frianto from Office Administration Education Study Program. Board games are playing media in the form of boxes or tables. Some examples of board games, namely Monopoly, Jenga, Snakes and Ladders, Chess, Ludo, etc. The media we choose here is Monopoly. Monopoly is a game with an economic feel and can be played by more than 2 people.
Okay, let the feature other in a board game. The first, there are question boxes with different color categories to give the difficult level of the question with red for hard and yellow for medium and the rest green for easy.
There are boxes with the free symbol indicating that they are free from questions and no action is required. There are a box with the move back and ahead symbol indicating that various movement commands are received directly within the game.
There are boxes with the return symbol indicating a return to the starting point. And there are only 4 players in this game, each of whom gets a different character image and is given the same rights in the game.
There are 6-sided dice. Each player takes turn rolling the dice to move their pieces in order to play the games. How to play? For play, first player takes turns to roll the dice. Second, play in clockwise order.
There are 3 color categories: red for hard questions, yellow for medium questions, and green for easy questions.
Next, the free space symbol means you are free from answering the question. And then follow the instructions on each squares. After all players cross the finish line, points are calculated.
The player with the most points is the winner. And that's the feature and how to play the Monopoly Correspondence board game.